Good day, everyone. My name is Edward Jacob. I'm an electrical engineer and computer tutor. I help students and adults learn how to use computers for school and for work. I also teach electrical students and help clients troubleshoot and solve minor electrical problems remotely. Today, I'm here to talk about working and learning from home. Working and learning from home is a great way to reduce stress and increase convenience. It's especially helpful during the COVID pandemic, allowing students, employers, and employees to do their jobs without being physically present. Even as an engineer, I've been able to help clients with minor faults using video instructions. You can make a living from home if you have the right skills or are willing to learn them. There are many online courses available, but there's a big difference between learning from a video and learning live. With live sections, you can ask questions, get explanations, and receive guidance. If you need help with the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, CorelDraw, or Canva, I've provided the link to a form that can help you make that request. Head on there, make that request. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Do have a wonderful day. Once again, I am Edward Jacob.